Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix Bluetooth not working on Infinix Note 60. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so click on settings app. Now in setting you will see click on Bluetooth. If you want to fix this problem, so turn on Bluetooth and turn off. Turn on or turn off Bluetooth mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management and click on app list. If you want to fix this problem, so search Bluetooth from here. For example, this is Bluetooth app. Click on Bluetooth app and click on storage cache and clear cache Bluetooth. After clear cache Bluetooth, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, restart device. Just click and hold side power button, and after just click and hold side power button and click on restart. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter your phone pin and you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, click on settings app, scroll down and click on battery and power saving and click on power saving. If you want to fix this problem, so turn off power saving. After turn off power saving, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So but if it still not solved, so last option is reset all settings. Click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system. Scroll down and click on reset phone. If you want to fix this problem, click on reset all settings. Click on reset, enter your phone pin and click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Bluetooth not working on Infinix Note 60. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.